Our spirit of innovation is driven by your needs. Whatever needs you have in engineering, appliances, engineering requirement or services, we have passion to do in such a way. I mean, that is our driving spirit. In that spirit, we started solar products, moving with the solar products, then entered into different sectors, and this is how we have been working on. Now we have moved with kilowatt to gigawatt provision. I mean, we have the capacity to drive the market by serving and providing solutions from kilowatt to gigawatt kind of. And we give the products with IEC and ISO certifications, everything whatever within the scope of the manufacturing by different vendors. We take the selective vendors, and it is something like, I mean, we take ABB, Fimer, and for inverters, solar inverters, DC AC inverters, and then solar panels. We generally select with a base from the Indian based companies Renesas, Vari and Vikram, and then also moving with something on Trina and Longi, and we have been going with distribution as well for some of these panel manufacturers. Now we have selectively gone with some of the commercial places where we started giving services with the 10 kilowatt, 20 kilowatt and 30 kilowatt kind of systems and plants, and it's most of them are on rooftop, and recently the Rajahmundry project we are carrying with ground mounted systems. Part of it is on ground mounted and part of it moves on our rooftops of different building structures. The modular structure we ourselves manufacture, and we make it as customized to each of these clients and customers, and we give them, and we also educate the different customers on renewable energy, and also speak on green energy systems, and how they are useful to each of us, and how they reduce the carbon footprints on environment and affecting the environment, and what is the sustainability of these products, and what is the causes and impacts of these products. Everything we explain to the customer point to point, and the team will look into different ideology and give as per the requirements of customers. And we have a team of engineers, about 10 to 20 people, who generally work upon different sectors, the technical part of it and managerial part of it and procurement and guiding the customers. All this comes into different means, and we going on improving ourselves with the customers' feedbacks, and our market is mostly based on mouth to mouth, and the customers themselves give us the market by means of our service, and they look at our service and giving the other customer and giving us more channels and opening up more channels to do more better works. And some of the customers recently demanded us to give us something on electrical energy systems, like they wanted a service on a substation kind of installations in Ongole and Nellore, where we went and had a visit, and we have made a site visit and also taken the feasibility of the places, and then given them appropriate solution and what about and how to go about, and then we came back and given them the proper design, civil design and electrical design. Then we started working upon the designs, and then given material and supplied the material, where the work is started and it is in progress now. Likewise, We also do developments on information technology base, where we do designing a software product and also do designing of project plan if at all we come across any project from the industry. Right now we have taken up a project assignment in a Singapore client, where we started working upon data science practices, and we are providing solutions time to time to the client. And it is mostly we will be working on a as of now, I mean, COVID restrictions still moving on, the employees work from home. We are doing this plan on a work from home basis, and we are contacting every weekday, every week meetings, conducting sprint meetings and conducting stand-up meetings, and then looking into the schedules and preparing the design. So this is apart from our day-to-day activities in solar renewable product provisions and civil constructions, and also providing information technology based solutions. The solutions we give simple and very much customized as per the client requirements, and we are always connected to the client, and that is what our main focus, and we give services in that way. Our turnkey of success is basically we treat our customers as our business partners, not like, I mean, we don't treat them as a customer or a client. I mean, we treat them as our partners, and that's how we take forward our focus, and we provide solutions to these different sectors. And our services go into different sectors such as industrial base. It could be either a granite industry or a healthcare industry, or a regular clinic of a doctor's place, or a commercial shop, a small shop, and all these we generally look at as owners of those places. And it's advantageous if it is a owner's place, because the system moves for more than 10 years. I mean, the product is all about warranted for 10 to 15 years. And this warranty of the product which we provide is we generally look into giving maximum warranted period so that the customer can get the benefit out of it. And 10 to 15 years would be the warranty period, and any kind of replacement if it is required, I mean, we take care of it. We also provide a free maintenance for solar plants for about 5 years initially, and then later part, I mean, whatever comes into services in this 5 years we provide ourselves. Except in India, I mean, we have one possibility, like it is a dusty places. I mean, you know, we all know very well India being a little dusty place, where we have to put water on the panels and clean it every fortnight, which is only thing which is required for maintenance of these solar plants. Apart from solar plants, we also provide services in water pumping, water pump sets, off-grid systems, and street lights, and also fencing system, solar security fencing systems. These are the main focuses which we take care under solar industry.